I'm gonna be totally honest, I did not give a shit at first. Free stuff, please give me more.
More stuff means more plastic. Taiwan consistently ranks as one of Asia's top recyclers. Now it's trying to turn all that trash into stuff you can actually reuse and buy. But how is that going, actually?
Beach cleaning's popular.
Oh my god, beach cleanup. They made a nice pile of trash, and then guess what?
They go home and drink out of plastic bottles.
That trash is going back to the same exact place.
So what's an influencer got to do with it?
Hello everyone. The color in vitamin C.
Enter Sandy Lin. She used to be an influencer with roughly 170,000 followers on Instagram and a lot of skincare products in her house. She got a steady stream of branded stuff to promote until one day, things changed.
PR packages in this industry is, can you swear? Fucking wild. Fucking wild. I once received a huge PR package from a beauty brand where it's just a one tiny product inside and there is dome of plastic over it because it's Christmas, so they want to make it snow inside. So they have plastic over it looking like igloo, right? And then they're just like flakes of plastic inside. I'm just like, what is this? Above it is another plastic on top of it. And we cannot recycle this shit. I got sick of it. It's very superficial, it's shallow. And I just couldn't see what am I doing that's really beyond contributing to consumers and more like consumption. So how can I make myself proud in the next 10 years?
The answer surprised her and brought her back to some family roots. But where does so much of this plastic end up? The ocean. 19 to 23 million tons of it flood waterways and seas every year, according to the UN. For decades, Taiwan has been home to a booming plastics industry. Cheer Chen is an engineer who never thought she'd be dealing with this problem herself.
Taiwan's trash problem is complex. There's small and big stuff. Our strategy is to scoop what's close to us, and the stuff that's further away is for the boat.
Every week, Cheer and her team take their boat out to scoop floating trash in the harbors around Taipei. She built the whole system herself, and in true DIY form, yes, that remote is a gaming controller.
And we're off. Terrible. A lot of garbage.
Worldwide plastic leakage into the environment will increase 50% by 2040 from 2020 levels, reaching 30 million tons. And by 2050, global plastic production is estimated to triple.
If one harbor collects 1 ton each weekend, for all the harbors together, that's 220 tons.
The team goes out every weekend to collect, weigh, and tally the trash.
The ocean of my childhood was very beautiful, clean, without any trash. But as I grew up, it got dirty, and it hurts to see it like that. I feel very heartbroken.
Marine waste is nearly impossible to recycle. It degrades and is often too dirty or of low quality. The waste Cheer Chen collects will eventually be burned at an incineration plant.
Fishing net. It'll get tangled around fish's necks and choke them like this. It's very dangerous. Right now, it's fine because it's on shore, but most of the time, it sinks to the bottom of the ocean.
Ocean cleanup. Oh my God. By the time we get to the ocean, it's just too late.
Arthur Huang thinks there's a better way of dealing with the situation.
Sometimes I feel, beach cleanup, all these people meant so well. Ocean cleanup, people meant so well. But what's the closest and shortest distance to intercept the trash? When the trash is being consumed.
So Arthur and his team built a machine that takes plastic trash, like bottle caps, wrappers, and packaging, and molds it on the spot using heated compression into something you can actually use. They've taken these machines all over the world, even to the Himalayas. The company runs workshops every week in Taipei, where anyone can make a new pair of sunglasses from scratch. The Trash Kitchen, as Huang calls it, is a sideshow to the much bigger project.
If you want to actually affect change, you need to get into the industry, And this is one of the advantages Taiwan has because it has a lot of industry manufacturing capability to make things real.
And what's more real than buildings? All of these architectural fixtures are made of recycled plastic trash. Taiwan has consistently ranked highest in Asia for waste recovery, according to the Environmental Performance Index.
I think building stuff like physical, to me, is making real change. And you are actually contributing to the impact, both on the front end, the supply end, also on the application side, which is, at the end, this is what carbon footprint is all about. You gotta make trash quite sexy. Otherwise, none of this works.
Because of my social media background, I can see that this is actually exciting if you know how to tell the story. The issue is that no one in this industry know how to tell the story, or just couldn't. It's not until when I'm fully immersed in this industry of my father's empire that I really realized where has these plastic gone into.
The goal, at least for Sandy's father, is for them to land here. It's just one of the many sorting facilities his recycling business runs across Taiwan. Sandy's been learning the ropes of the trade, and through the eyes of a new generation. But for her, coming back to the family business was a personal struggle. And it all started when she was just a kid.
She hated my work. Too busy. Day and night, every day. So I guess she hated.
I need your tissue.
Okay.
So I always told my mom I wouldn't come back to the business and I would stay in the state and I would do the things I do there and make it out on my own. Like I don't want their money, right? But then, things change. 5 years ago, I think that the very pivotal moment was that my mom got sick and then the whole family come together and we had a transformative year. So then it took me a while to find my own happiness and then be okay with coming back and actually be excited about it.
All this motivated her to return to the family business, though her father never pressured her.
My hope for myself to join the company, the impact that I could make is to increase the knowledge base between this industry to the consumer industry. In the past, it's very much B2B. Where I want to bring it is B2C.
I thought, hey, they can protect me.
For Cheer, the connection between her work and the ocean was also born from childhood memories.
My home was by the ocean. The senior Taiwan is very beautiful. As a child, I loved playing in the water. But when I go underwater and hear my breath, see these fish, I realize that humans are actually part of nature, and nature shouldn't be exploited. The ocean gives me so much good energy. No matter what, I can always take a stroll by the ocean. You can scream and shout, it's all fine. It will always accept and embrace me.